When it comes to managing projects, especially for teams juggling multiple initiatives, organization is key. A cluttered project management space can quickly lead to confusion, missed deadlines, and a general sense of overwhelm. Basecamp, a popular project management and team communication tool, excels at providing a clear and straightforward environment for work. However, as your list of projects grows, you might find yourself asking, how do I group projects in Basecamp? As a project management expert, I can tell you that while Basecamp doesn't use the term grouping in the traditional sense you might find in other tools, like folders within folders, it offers incredibly effective and intuitive ways to organize your projects. These methods are designed to keep things clean, focused, and easy for everyone on your team to understand, no matter their technical skill level. Let's dive into how Basecamp helps you manage your projects efficiently. The primary way Basecamp helps you group or organize projects is through its fundamental structure, specifically using teams and clients. These aren't just labels. They are distinct organizational levels that help segment your work naturally. 1. Organizing with teams, internal departments, or core groups. Imagine your organization has different departments: marketing, product development, sales, human resources. Each of these departments might manage several ongoing projects. In Basecamp, you can create a team for each of these departments. What is a team in Basecamp? A team in Basecamp is designed for ongoing groups of people who work together consistently. It's a dedicated space for a specific department, committee, or even a core long-term project. How does it group projects? Within a team, you can create multiple projects. For instance, under the marketing team in Basecamp, you might have individual projects like Q3 content calendar, new website launch, social media campaign 2025, and brand guideline update. All these projects are implicitly grouped under the marketing team's umbrella, making it clear who is involved and what kind of work is being done. Benefits of using teams for grouping. Clear ownership. It's immediately obvious which department or core group is responsible for a set of projects. Reduced clutter. Instead of a long, undifferentiated list of projects, you see projects neatly tucked within their respective teams. Targeted communication. Discussions and updates within a team are relevant to everyone in that group, minimizing noise for others. Easy navigation. Team members only need to focus on their relevant team space to find all their projects. This approach works perfectly for internal projects where the grouping is based on the internal structure of your company. 2. Organizing with clients, external stakeholders, and specific deliverables. Now, consider a scenario where you're an agency working with multiple external clients, or perhaps an internal department managing distinct projects for different internal clients, e.g., IT supporting various business units. This is where Basecamp's client feature becomes invaluable for grouping. What is a client in Basecamp? A client workspace in Basecamp is specifically designed for working with external parties. Each client gets their own dedicated space, and within that space, you manage the projects you're working on for that specific client. How does it group projects? If you have Client A, Client B, and Client C, you'd create a separate client workspace for each. Inside Client A's workspace, you might have projects like Website Redesign Phase 1, SEO Audit, and Social Media Management. All these projects are inherently grouped under Client A. Benefits of using clients for grouping. Client-centric view. Everything related to a particular client is in one place, making it easy for both your team and the client to find information. Controlled access. You can invite specific client contacts only to their relevant client workspace, ensuring they only see projects pertaining to them. Streamlined external communication. All communication with a client happens within their dedicated space, avoiding confusion and misplaced emails. Billing and reporting. It becomes easier to track and report on work done for specific clients.